So last night was very crazy. There were so many people on the streets. I tried to research what kind of festival was it, but I couldn't really find anything online, so I think it just was, I don't know, something local. And so I decided to stay one more night. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna head up to the monastery. And for today I'm gonna do going to a Chinese village, and then after that going to a waterfall, and after I'm gonna go to a hot spring again to relax, chill out, and then after to the night street maybe, and slowly ease into the night, chill, and tomorrow get ready to leave just like that guy. I got some nice breakfast here. There is a breakfast area just right there. I got full avocado, bread, peanut butter, and eggs, omelette, and all these fruits for free. I mean, it's included in the price, so it's very nice. And it was 12 pounds for one night with breakfast, so that's very good. And yeah, it's gonna be nice weather again, no clouds, no rain, and it's not gonna be too hot. I think it's gonna be like 29 degrees. It's much more pleasant than down beside Bangkok. Let's see how the day goes. I slept more than 10 hours, so I really needed it for sure. But I slept much more peaceful than in my last accommodation, because these are real walls here. I was able to close the window, there were no mosquitoes throughout the night, and it was cooler. So I think that's the main thing, that it wasn't that hot throughout the night. Only I didn't even have to use the fan. So let's see how the day goes. I got on the road again. So I think I have had about 15 minutes ride before I get to the first stop, and then from there all the beauty will just arrive at my doorstep one by one. And the beast was sleeping good tonight as well, so he's ready for the journey. And actually I like this one a bit better than the last one, because it's easier to handle and it's like have a nice grip on it, so it's good. And I got even a digital platform, or how you say, and I got fitting helmet, which I'm not really wearing much, but it's still nice. And the direction I'm headed is that way, so it's around that area between the mountains. There are gonna be, as I said, some waterfall and other kind of stuff. This road is very nice to ride on. It's many turns, and it's just fun. Beautiful flowers and banana trees, yeah, everything. Let's see. Hello, my friend. Hello. Oh, don't be afraid. I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt your baby. Okay, maybe I should leave you alone, yeah? Very nice. Okay. So I think this is the entrance of the Chinese village. And also, what is this? Yun Lei viewpoint. And also the waterfall, it should be in this direction. Okay, so I think I arrived to the Chinese village. Seems like there is not too many people around here, which is good. I like peaceful places. There is a lot of vendors, empty vendors with customs stuff. You can rent your own custom for 100 baht. I don't know what is that construction, but I think it's you have to sit on it, and then four person sits on it, and then you just go like a mill. Till you vomit. Okay, this looks fun, I guess. Peaceful for sure. Hello, boss. How are you? You just here lonely, huh? Are you peaceful? If I get you some grass, will you eat this grass as well? Come on. Hello. You don't want this grass? This tastes better than the one you eat. No? Huh? I guess you meet with a lot of people, don't you? You don't really give a mind to them anymore. I can understand you. You got a lot of food here, that's for sure. There is also a bridge, nice bridge here. Hello, friend. Nice bridge. Serene surroundings. There is some kind of made-up castle. Hello. Look how nice you are. How are you doing today, my friend? Oh. Hello. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, you're very peaceful, huh? You like foreigners? Huh? Yes. Look at you. You want some food? Hello.
Thank you.
No good?
Oh, it's okay.
Again, lots of fishes. Oh, I can even touch you. Wow. Oh. Don't get mad. So I'm gonna get some fish food now and try to feed them. It's look like rabbit shit. Let's see how they respond even to the noise, huh? Oh, here they come. Come on. Okay, let's see. Oh, take it easy. There's too many of you. Can you eat it out from my hand? Oh. Too many. Dang. Okay. Oh, you're gonna make me wet. Okay, Let's try to give it to you like this. Wow, look at that. Okay, one more time. Oh. I could walk on fish now. Okay, once more. Oh. This is a fish soup. Served, ready. Okay. Next up, Waterfall. That's the road I was looking for. It's probably not too long more, but maybe 10 minutes drive. But I don't know how long walk gonna lead actually to the waterfall, because I think it's quiet between the hills in the forest, but maybe no. Let's see. Welcome to Morfang Waterfall. Finally arrived. Okay, I paid for the ticket, which was 100 baht. We will see if it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. Just by being here, it's worth it, but still. So I'm back to the jungle. Oh, I can see it from here probably. Wow. Yes, look the jungle. Dang. Wow. And this tube which leads us down. Have to walk through all the way. Welcome. Thank you. It's fun. And there is the exit into heaven. The end of the tunnel, I see. Yes, this is heaven. It is. So you can just go up there, cross, and then slide down into here? I don't know. Oh yes, that's the slide. So they taking some water with a bucket, probably to wet it up. Just want to see how they're gonna slide down. This is actually really beautiful. Water is very clear, not very clear, not like in the UK. Oh, look at that guy. Oh yes, that's what I'm gonna do next. And I think if I walk this way, then maybe, no, there is nothing here. But if I walk through the other way, look at that. Too much. Then I can see the other side of the waterfall. Because it doesn't end here. This goes all the way down through the jungle And then maybe the second one is even bigger. Yes, look at that. Wonder if you can slide down on that one. Basically just falls into the jungle, to the forest. Quite high too. So I'm gonna head back to the other side, get changed, and then let the party begin. I got everything with me, I prepared. I think the water is not even cold, so it should be fine. And after that, whenever I finished, we'll have a nice lunch and then go to a hot spring. Where else? And then stay there forever. I definitely hit my balls a bit. They went up my stomach. That's bigger than it seems. Wow. Shit, and the water is cold. Not too cold, but chill. Oh yes, that is something. So down there is the waterfall, and now I'm heading just up, which looks to be a private little pool just for me. Yeah, I decided to cross here anyway. It's easier. Up. Yes. Look at this private pool. Let's head into the water. Oh my. Woo! It's cold. It's like not more than 18 maybe. 18, 20 degrees. Let's dip. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. I might move out here. What more you can ask for in this life? Okay, I will try to go totally under and hope not to lose my phone while doing it. Dangerous business. Woo! He's in the castle. Woo! Okay, so now I'm above, and then yeah, oh yeah, even more here, more natural pools. I think they did some work here for it to be like this. So it's not one waterfall, it's about 7, 8, all in the jungle, surrounded with forest.